Hello guys, today we are back again with another video, and today's video's topic is operators, and we will be discussing every details about the operator, what are these operators, what are its type, and we will discuss every single types of operator in details. So now let's get right into the video. So basically we are studying what is operator, and to understand operator, first of all assume it to be like a machine. For example, we have a machine here, we give something input and we get some output. This is an operator. The definition is of an operator can be anything that operates on certain input to get certain output is known as operator. Now let's visualize it. Yes, we have a machine, we have certain inputs that we are giving it to the machine, and then we are getting some output. This is what operator means. Now we will be studying about types of operator, which are much more important than definition of the operators in a programming language. So the types of operators are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, spatial operator, increment decrement operator, conditional operator. Now these arithmetic operators, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, and some special operators are generally termed as binary operators. Why? Because they need two inputs to give certain outputs. That is, they minimum need two inputs to give some output. We will see them in details in further videos. Now we have a unary in operator, that is increment decrement operator. We need only one input so that to get the output in these. And then we have conditional operator. These are ternary operator. Ternary operator needs three inputs to get the output. Let us now see the arithmetic operator. So what are these arithmetic operator? We all have studied these in our nursery KG classes. So these are the five arithmetic operator, and these are the basic operator that are most useful in C language. Now let's see. This is addition operator, that is used to do addition operation. This is in subtraction operator. This is multiplication operator, division operator, and remainder operator. This one is new for you. Why? Because this gives the remainder. For example, if we will add 2 plus 3, we will get 5. If we will subtract 3 minus 2, we will get 1. If we multiply 3 and 2, we will get 6. If we divide 4 and 2, or 3 and 2, if we will divide 3 and 2, then we will get 1. But when we give the modulus symbol, this one, we will get 1 as output, that is the remainder of 3 and 2. So here we are back again to VS Code. We will be programming few examples to understand arithmetic operator most accurately. So first of all, we will include our standard io.h, include standard io.h. Now we will just write the int main function. Remember, int main function is called by operating system, and then we would be declare two integer type variable, int a comma b, and then a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3. Here see, I am ending every single sentence with a semicolon. Don't forget to do that. Now we will just print the value. This is how we are doing it. just doing this, and a plus b. This one we will just copy it to make the things little faster. Copying, copying, and then here just we will write b minus a because b is greater here. Here we can write a multiplied b. Here we will write b divided by a just to get the remainder, quotient and remainder. And then here we will write b modulus a, and then if we will run it, we should get the output here. Yes, we are getting it, but this one is quite messy here. To make it simplified like this, we have to format this one. To format, we will just write here after addition, and after each sentence we want a slash n. Here after subtraction, and then also again backslash n. After multiplication, again a slash n, and same goes for the division part. Only difference is in division we have two outputs, one is quotient and other is remainder. Remember division, remember one thing, this division operator gives us the quotient and this modulus operator gives us the remainder. So this should be done now, and then we will run it. We should get the output. Yes, perfect. We will try one more example just by changing the values. Let's see if we give it this one 82, and let's just give 24, and then if we will run it, yes, we are getting a perfect answer. So we are back to our presentation, and now we will be discussing about the assignment operator. So what is this assignment operator? This is nothing, just we assign value using these assignment operator. From we can assign a value to a variable or a variable to a value. Now let's see few examples here. For let us suppose we have x as our variable. We can assign it to 2. That is, we are using a assignment operator. Now we can also, let us assume we have two variables x and y. X we have 2 from here, x value is 2 and y value is 3. We can also use x is equals to y to get the output as and now we have modified the x value to 3. This is how equals to operator works. We have further few modes of operator, assignment operator, and these are like plus equals to, which alternately means like this, that is a is equals to a plus b. We will understand these much more easily in the practical session. So we are back again in our VS Code, and we will be programming few examples to understand assignment operator much more much more efficiently. So first of all, we will include our standard language, and then the main function, which would be called by operating system. Yes, these braces are the starting and ending point of this program. And now let's just take variables a comma b, and then let us assign a to 2 and then b to a. This is an example of equals to assignment operator. And then we will be printing and t a and b comma b. So what's going on here? We are taking two variables here and then assigning 2 to a and then a to b. So and then we are printing a and b here. So if we'll run it, we should get the output as 2 and 2. Yes, we are getting it accurately. Now this is an example of equals to. Now let's again we take two variable, this time c and d, and then we will be assigning c is equals to 2 and then d is equals to here plus equals to c, and then we will be printing one mistake here, this should not be d here, just take one variable and then here c is plus equals to 3 here. Now we will just print it, the c value of c is ampersand d. So oops, inverted commas are necessary, and then slash n and then comma c, and then here we have to give slash n, otherwise it will be a mess. Here we are giving 2 slash n. Now if we will run it, yes, we are getting two output. First one is 2 and 2 for this one, and then we are getting output the value of c as 5. Why? Because first of all c value is 2 and here we are giving c plus equals to 3, which alternately means c is equals to, say sorry for that, c is equals to c plus 3, and that is c is equals to 2 plus 3 5, and then we are printing it, so we are getting it 5. Now again we will take one in a variable d here, let us assign it to 8 this time, and then t minus subtraction minus symbol is equals to 3, and then we will be printing it here like this, value of t is ampersand d, here also double slash n, backslash n, and t, and then semicolon. We will add here one more slash n to make it more visible, and then we will run it. Yes, you are getting output as 2 and 2, 5 here for this one, and again d is equals to 5. How? We have taken d is equals to 8, so why 5 here? Because we here written as d minus equals to 3, that alternately means t is equals to d minus 3. So what we are doing here, d is equals to 8 minus 3, that is 5. Now we will just see another example, this one would be last one. We will take a variable e here and we will assign it to 5 here, and then we will just give e multiply e is equals to, oh shit, that not what we wanted, e multiply equals to 5. So guess what the value of e must be? Value of e is, oh sorry for that, ampersand n ampersand d backslash n and then comma e and then semicolon. And then guess what the value of e is? If we will run it, we will see that the value of e is 25. How? Because first we declared e is equals to 5 and then we have written a statement here, e multiply is equals to 5. That is, this alternate means e is equals to e multiplied by 5. So 5 e is equals to 5 multiplied by 5. So 25. That's all for the assignment operator.